In the midst of life's storms, it can be challenging to keep faith alive. Yet it is during these trials that our faith is often tested and forged into something powerful. Just as an athlete builds strength through intense training, so too, our spiritual muscles are strengthened through adversity. When life feels uncertain or unfair, remember that faith is a guiding light, illuminating the path through darkness. It invites us to trust in God's plan, even when we cannot see the next step ahead. Consider the story of Job, a man who faced unimaginable suffering. He lost his wealth, health, and family, yet he never wavered in his faith. Job 8 are temporary, but the impact of our faith can resound through generations, turning our trials into a testimony. To illustrate the modern reality of this, think about those who have encountered life's challenges but chose to persevere through faith. Many people have faced debilitating illnesses, financial ruin, or loss, yet they emerge stronger and more committed to their beliefs. These individuals often share stories of unforeseen blessings that followed their darkest hours. They became pillars in their communities, reminding us all that faith can lead not only to personal transformation, but also to the uplifting of others around us. In moments of despair, it's vital to remind ourselves that challenges do not define us. Instead, they serve as catalysts for growth and resilience. Each struggle we face refines our character and deepens our reliance on God. As the Apostle Paul wrote, "For our light and momentary troubles are achieving for us an eternal glory that far outweighs them all." 2 Corinthians 4:17. This perspective helps us to see that hope, trust, and faith are our most formidable allies against life's hardships. As we walk this journey together, let us nurture and uphold one another, drawing strength from our faith as we navigate through trials. Embrace the uncertainties, for they can lead to divine breakthroughs. Remember that faith is not merely a passive belief, but an active, vibrant force that propels us forward, reminding us that we are never alone. Trust in God's plan, lean into His love, and let your faith illuminate the way, knowing that every struggle is temporary and leads us to a greater purpose.